during this process, I flushed the toilet. I used the dye to test the toilet, and then I also used an auger, and I also used a plunger just kind of show people how to work on toilets. And I flushed a lot of water down during this time, and all of a sudden, one of the flushes, water came up in the area drain in the bathroom, and lo and behold, we had a mainline stoppage. So, and it was not just any mainline stoppage. It turned into this major job. Multi-day. Our guys were
cables.
Yeah, our guys got the pipe is, how old is this building? Probably from the 50s or 60s. And the sewer lines, whenever this building was installed, and I guess there's a break or something.
No, there wasn't nothing.
There was no break?
No. We must have cut all the roots out and we can't see in there now.
Yeah, so there was a bunch of a root blockage. We pulled back a bunch of roots, managed to get it open, but oh my gosh, that was a big deal.